This is my Module 1 introduction for AEP 858, Data Analysis and Assessment. My name is Lindsay White, and I graduated from Sterling College in 2012 with a BS in Elementary Education. I have an ESOL endorsement from Newman University, and I'm currently pursuing my master's in ESOL. Hopefully I will graduate this summer. This is my 6th year of teaching. I've taught 5 years in kindergarten, and this is my first year teaching first grade. I was fortunate enough to be able to loop up with my students, and I've really enjoyed that experience. I teach at Central Elementary in Dodge City, Kansas. It is a high poverty, high Hispanic school district. I am the technology coach for my building, and I'm also a building leadership team member. I am married to my high school sweetheart, Abraham. We've been married for 5 years and together for 10. I have 2 dogs, Atticus and Harper. Atticus is a golden retriever and Harper is a boxer. I'm an avid CrossFitter. I love KU, love to watch basketball, and I am a wannabe travel agent. I love to travel and plan trips. In my district, we are a data-driven district. We have a data site that we use called FileMaker that houses all our assessments and reports. For K2, we use a Kinder Skills Assessment, which is only for kindergarten. It's given once a quarter, and it measures their letters, sounds, numbers, shapes, colors. We have a concepts about print, which is optional, but we usually use it for SIT data. We have phonological awareness skills tests, the PAST, which is given once a quarter till all 17 sections are passed. And so they can pass all of them in kinder, or it could take all the way to 2nd grade. We have sentence dictation, which is given 3 times a year for students that are level D or below for guided reading. And then we have the Raven test, which is given 1 time in 2nd grade to show if they need to be tested for gifted or not. For K3-5 assessments, we have the H&M reading and math inventory, which is given twice a year. We have state testing given once a year, and then we have words their way and spelling inventory, which is given 3 times a year. Assessments that are given K-5 are the Scholastic Next Step Guided Reading Assessment. It's given once a quarter, and it's for levels A through Z. We have iStation Reading and Math, which is given once a month. Engage New York Math Assessments, which are given at the end of each unit of study, which for most grades is about 6 different times. And then we have the Kansas English Language Proficiency Assessment, also known as KELPA, which is given once a year. How I use my data in the classroom is I use it to group my guided reading groups. I base this off of their next step guided reading levels. I also use reading A to Z. I will do informal guided reading or running records that students will submit to me, and if I think they're doing really well, I may move them. So usually I move my students about every 9 weeks. I also group for my para with small groups based off of their pass on what they need to work on and based off of iStation tiers. We also use this data to pick after school tutoring groups. For math, I base my small groups off of their exit tickets that they do every couple of lessons for math, and also off of their iStation tiers. My plan for the future is I would like to find out how to use the sentence dictation data, how they use that in my district, so I can use it better. I'd like to start documenting informal data. I usually just try and remember it and don't always get it written down. So I'd like to start documenting it more and then come up with checklists to collect more informal data. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.